Come on. Alright, I'm trying to get this unstuck, folks. This is phenomenal. Hold on. Okay, we got it unstuck for a minute anyways. But look at the reflection. I'm throwing that. Oh, come on. I just think this is so cool. Very cool. Because this is what I'm looking at right here. And the effect it's having. It's bizarre. So I want to tell you about, I take these opportunities while I can and have connection to tell you about a channel that impresses me, right? I sure hope I have time to do it before the laptop freezes again. It's been an hour. I've been trying to get it to work. So I have to hurry and get to this channel and tell you about it. It just blew me away. Okay, Truth Not Allowed. That's the name of the channel. Truth Not Allowed. And the name of the video is Satellite Hoax for Billions. Okay, on that video, at the very end, you're going to see what we've been watching. One of them. I'm sure they have many of them. But, yeah. You got to see it and where they found it. Remember, we always want to know about green screen. You know, where are they doing this? If this is where they did it, and it was at nighttime, I can see it. But I don't think that anyone would go out and throw what looks identical to ISS equipment out where these guys found it. So it's called Truth Not Allowed Channel, Satellite Hoax for Billions. Please go see it. And you want to know what's really so amazing about it? This guy, oh, that's his. I trying to get some information. Okay, listen to this. 10 subscribers. He's got 10 subscribers. I can't even believe it after this video. He'll probably have a lot more than that. And, let's see. He joined September 20th, 2018. This is one of the best captures of found evidence. I believe it's evidence. And, yeah, this guy's channel should grow. For sure. It's a great video. I think it's the equipment. You guys take a look at it and tell me what you think, but we've all looked at that equipment enough to know what we're seeing. So, if I'm wrong, tell me. But this is amazing, isn't it? Amazing. And let's see. Look at that. And all that effect. We are in Italy again. Where do I pass? Very cool. Okay, we got another reflection coming off. We're just looking at the effects of as this simulator is making its great rise. And it's blizzarding. Alright, I may not be able to stay for long.